So what I'm doing now is I'm taking my gel polish and I am placing some of that on the tile because I'm going to be giving my white nail that I painted a marble accent. And I'm just freestyling this. So I'm taking the tip of a brush and I'm drawing lines onto that white fingernail. And I'm just freestyling it. It doesn't have to be neat. You kind of want to place it kind of like how the marble be. Zigzag, no straight lines, just. And I'm going to also do that to the pinky nail as well. And I'm just completing the same steps, putting zigzag lines on the nail, kind of like marble. And now what I'm going to do is I'm taking that brush and I'm dipping it in some alcohol. And I am kind of diluting the marks that I just placed with that purple just to fade it out to give it that marble effect. And I'm going to do that to both of those nails. Now I am going to, once I've diluted that purple to my likings, I'm going to stick it in the UV light. I'm going to cure that for about 30 seconds so that it can stay into place. Now I'm taking the shimmery, it's like black. I mean, it's hard for me to describe, but it has like glitter in it. So I'm going to place some of that on the towel because I'm also going to put lines in the marble to give it like a little glitter effect in there. And I'm basically just going to do the same steps that I did with the purple lines and the alcohol so that I can dilute it to blur it out into the white nail. Now I'm going back in with the purple that I originally applied and I'm just darkening up some of the spots onto the marble nail. You guys know how marble is. And now I'm just going to take my top coat and I'm going to apply that on both of those marble nails. I had already did one hand prior, but I'm just going to apply that top coat and then I'm going to pop that into the UV light so that it can cure. And that's what the marble nails look like. I'm just so in love with them. I think they're so cute. Now I'm going to take my bling gel. I call it concrete. This is what I use to apply my diamonds and stones. And when I tell you that the stones do not move, they really do not move. And I'm just going to take this little accessory palette. And I had this a long time, a long, long time. I just decided to pull it out and use some of those little silver half round little beads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the bling gel. I'm going to put that all over my nail. And I'm trying to decide which one because I want to do one that's just completely blinged out, accessorized out. So what you want to do is apply that all over the nail. Get it evenly over the nail. And that bling gel is kind of like really tacky, but it really does the job. And now what you want to do is once you have applied the gel, because I mean it's going to stay there, you want to take your top coat and you're going to apply some of that top coat on top of that gel. So that way at the end you don't have to worry about applying the top coat because you've already applied it. It's just on top of the gel. And now I'm going to take my little dabber and I'm going to apply those stones. And I'm using different sizes because the wheel, I think it has like 4 or 5 different sizes. So I'm just going back and forth with the sizes. When placing any type of art on your nail or jewels, it's pretty much like a puzzle. There is no right nor no wrong. And I was having a time with those little beads. Like they just would not turn right. They wouldn't stay still, but I got it. And I'm going to apply those all over my pinky nail. Just changing the sizes. You see what I mean? They just would not do right. So now I'm just going to speed it up. And I'm continuing to keep putting the nails onto my pinky finger. And like I said, these are all different sizes. You just kind of want to place them kind of like a puzzle, just filling in the gaps. And while you're placing them down onto the bling gel and then the top coat, I mean, it is movable, so you can place them around a little bit. It doesn't actually lock into place until you cure it. So I'm just going to keep on applying those. And you see I got me a little technique going. So now I'm just going to continue bedazzling out my nails. I'm just adding more little marble balls or pearls and diamonds and so on. So yeah, Sorry the video seems to be a little choppy, but I did lose some footage, but you know, hey, it is what it is. I just wanted to get it out to you. And this is the final look. Hope you enjoy watching. Till next time.